Hello there, I'm Andy Ewens from FormaServe. Today I'm going to show you how we modernise our client's 5250 applications to browser based. We do not use any screen scraping or tools to actually do the conversion for us. These are all traditionally bespoke applications. To achieve this, the technologies we use are PHP with Zend Server, Zend frameworks, along with the DB2 database on our IBM I. We also use JavaScript, jQuery UI, and we also have Google integration and Microsoft Office integration. So we've got a lot of good features that we can incorporate within our application that we could never do from our 5250. In this demonstration, we're going to show you a help desk application, a ticketing system that one of our clients asked us to modernise. Hopefully you'll be impressed with the results. So from here we can see our 5250 application, and here we can see our browser application. Same application, just being shown in a browser, using the same functionality, it's using the same database, exactly the same. So here we have our 5250 application. As we said, it's a help desk application. For the RPG programmers, the COBOL programmers within us, we can see this has been designed as a sub-file application. So we can see all the tickets that are actually opened on this application at the moment. If I press the F8 key, it will show all my open calls. So at the moment it's showing all the tickets that are actually open, that are actually active at the moment. So we can see a lot of color coding here, lots of file separators. It worked well in its days, but as you can see, it's looking a bit dated now. So we're going to show you the process of actually updating this, of how we can make it a lot better to use. The users will be a lot happier with this application in a browser. So from our main screen here, we can see all the tickets opened, as we've just said. We can also do some filtering. So at the top there, we can see the filters for the usernames, environments, status codes, so on and so forth. So we just run through the columns now. So we've got the call reference number, the username, any environment they're working to, and who it's assigned to. So let's select one of these tickets now, and we'll go through them and show you the actual detail that's held within each individual ticket. So now we've actually selected this ticket, so we can see from the top we've got the call number 22737, its status, and all the details about the individual ticket. As we said, this ticket's got a lot of information, so not everything could actually be shown on this one screen. So the developer here used the command keys down the bottom so we can go into more details. We'll just have a quick run through some of these now, just to show you the extra details that are actually held within a ticket. So by pressing the F1 problem description hotkey, we get a nice little window that comes up, so where we can put in more details about an individual ticket. Pressing the F2 procedures key brings up a window once again and shows us the procedures we have to follow to resolve this ticket. The F4 solution description command key brings up a window where we can put in solution details if we wish to. The F7 command key is used for any second line support, so if we have to pass this ticket over to any external companies, for example FormaServe, this is where we'd select the details from here. The F8 command key will actually display any second line support history for us. We can't actually input any details into this. Our F9 command key is actually used to show if we've got any documents that are attached to this ticket. So all this is actually showing is our IFS directory, as we can see at the top there, emit, help desk, and the number of the ticket. We can't actually store any documents down here. We'd have to use our PC to do that. The F10 command key is used to close a ticket. So once again, it comes up in a nice little window, and you can put in the details in there. The F14 command key is used to link a PTF to an individual ticket. So if there's a known fix for this ticket, we can actually associate it here. As we can see, we've got one PTF associated with this ticket. So that was a quick run through on the 5250 application. We can see there, still very usable, but it is looking a bit dated now and needs sprucing up. That concludes part 1 of this demonstration, where we've shown you the 5250 sides of things. Join us for part 2, where we're showing you the browser application and all its rich features. Thank you and goodbye.